Hi, this is Vicki Eisel-Starinsky, and this is part 2 of Why I Love Exit. I didn't want to overload you in one video, but I do want to tell you also another great thing about Exit, and one of the reasons, really not the biggest reason that I joined, but it's definitely a nice plan B, an additional income. It's our residual. This residual money is not, or you could call it bonus money, it's not based on any kind of profit sharing. It just is what it is. When we bring someone into Exit, let's say I bring somebody from a different brokerage into Exit, I then become the sponsor, and I earn 10% of that agent's gross commission check. It is capped at $10,000 a year, starts over every year, and that's per agent. So the potential to make thousands and thousands of dollars, and we have given out millions actually at the corporate level, that is phenomenal. It's, again, not based on any kind of profit of the company. It just is what it is. So when you bring someone on, they have a closing, say the closing's a gross commission of $3,000. That's $300 to you for doing nothing other than introducing this person into Exit, sharing how great it is, how wonderful our tools and training is. And we have retirement. You can continue to earn that even if you retire. So it's just a great way to earn some extra money. So when you have a moment, please check out a 10-minute video that will explain all this in more detail. You will love it. You'll be amazed. Go to, I'll put the link on here, but it's www.exitrealty.com/take10. That's the number 10. exitrealty.com/take10. And please feel free to email me or call me if you have any questions. Again, just another reason why I love Exit. Thank you. Bye-bye.